Can something as simple as walking truly transform your body? Does it build muscle, burn fat, or is it just a nice way to pass time? Today on EcoMind, we break down insights from a fascinating GQ article to uncover what walking really does to your body and why it might be the most underrated exercise out there. What happens when you walk? Walking is a low-impact, natural movement we often overlook. But here's the thing. Every step activates your glutes, hamstrings, calves, and even your core. You're not just strolling, you're engaging multiple muscle groups and elevating your heart rate. Scientifically, walking increases your energy expenditure. Yes. And depending on pace, it can move you into the fat-burning zone. But there's more. Walking doesn't just work your body, it fuels your brain. Studies show it enhances creativity, boosts memory, and lowers stress levels by activating the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps your body rest and recover. Can walking build muscle? Let's get into the muscle debate. Walking by itself is not a major muscle-building exercise. It doesn't trigger the kind of resistance or strain needed to grow large muscles. But it's a big but does maintain and tone the muscles you already have, especially your legs and glutes. Now, if you want to take it further, consider rucking, a walking method, where you carry added weight like a backpack. This turns a gentle stroll into a muscle-engaging challenge. According to fitness experts, rucking is one of the best low-impact ways to build functional strength without risking injury. The fat-burning side of walking. Now, let's talk about fat. Walking is one of the best entry-level exercises for fat loss. When you walk at a moderate pace, around 50 to 70% of your maximum heart rate, you enter the fat oxidation zone, meaning your body starts using fat for energy. Here's the best part. It's sustainable. You can walk every day, multiple times a day, without burning out. Over time, consistent walking, especially brisk walking or uphill, can lead to noticeable fat loss and improved body composition. Want better results? Add incline, walk longer, or increase pace gradually. It's scalable without being punishing. The mental and emotional benefits. Beyond the physical, walking offers deep mental rewards. It reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, and boosts BDNF, a brain protein linked to memory and cognitive function. Some studies even suggest regular walkers have a larger hippocampus, the part of the brain tied to memory and emotion. Ever heard of walking meetings? There's a reason top CEOs and creatives swear by the movement, boosts thinking, clarity, and problem solving. In short, walking sharpens your mind as much as your body. How to make walking work for you? Here's how you can start transforming your body with walking. Start small. 20 to 30 minutes a day is a great goal. Add weight. Try rucking with a weighted backpack. Change terrain. Walk hills or stairs to increase intensity. Make it a habit. Walk after meals, during calls, or to clear your head. Track progress. Use a fitness watch or an app to stay motivated. Walking doesn't demand much, but it gives back so much more. So does walking build muscle? Not dramatically, but it keeps you strong. Does it burn fat? Absolutely, when done right. But most importantly, walking is a sustainable, powerful way to enhance your physical and mental health. If you found this breakdown helpful, leave a like, share your walking goals in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to EcoMind for more science-backed insights. Until next time, keep walking and keep growing.